Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see most important topic as per interview perspective. Whenever we are attempting the interview, so the most important point is communication. So if your communication is good, so it will 10x more chances that you are going to select on that interview. So how to work on your communication and your English? So I will show you in this video one AI tool, that is Gliglish. With the help of this AI tool, you can try to speak, sorry, you can try to speak with this AI tool and improve your English with the help of this. So I will show you. So click on this first website, gliglish.com, and it's a free, no need to sign up or no need to pay anything in this website. So simply click on this box, speak now for free, and after that choose a language country, whatever language you want to speak. So I will select English United States. Okay, and there is a two option. One is a talk to your favorite AI based English teacher, and second is a role play, simulate a situation from daily life in English. So in this role play, I will show you role play now. So in the coffee shop, okay, at the coffee shop. So how we will improve our English? I will show you. Just click on this
Hello.
start button. Hey, hi.
Welcome to our coffee shop. How can I help you today?
Can you please, can I get a one cappuccino, please?
Of course. What size would you like for your cappuccino?
Medium, please.
Alright, one medium cappuccino coming right up. Anything else I can get for you?
No, thank you.
Alright, just one medium cappuccino then. That will be $4.25. How would you like?
So as you can see, I hope you understand this. It's very helpful to everyone who are going to uh, learn English or who are going to attend interviews and the communication is a little bit weak. So at that time, you can definitely work on your communication through this website, and I hope you like it. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends who wants to learn English. And thank you. Thank you so much, guys.